Welcome to Planet Saya. What are we going to do today, Saya?
Make fireworks outside.
Yeah, make fireworks like the ones they have outside, but we're going to make them inside. We're going to make like a fireworks tablecloth. Alright, so what's the first thing you have to do, Saya?
Take your paint brush.
No.
Then what is it?
With the paper towel or toilet paper roll. Yeah, we're going to make something that looks like this. Now, how did we do that, Saya?
Cut and roll.
Yeah, we cut up the roll. Yeah, sometimes it gets a little tough. So, yeah. Maybe you want to ask Mommy or Daddy to help you because it gets kind of tough sometimes, doesn't it? You want to just use the one that we already made?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so here's one that we already made. What do you have to do to paint a firework?
You have to take the paintbrush.
Uh-huh.
What else?
Well, then you gotta pick your colors.
This one.
Alright, so Saya's got some green. And then you paint some of the little arms on the toilet paper roll. Ninja Turtle green matches your shirt. Are you gonna make a whole green one or are you gonna make it different colors?
Whole green one.
A whole green one, okay. You might hear fireworks in the background because it actually is 4th of July. And our neighbors are letting off fireworks. We can't see them, but we get to hear them.
And taste.
You did a really good job.
I need more paint.
Okay. Nope, there was a loud firework. Alright, and we have our cup of water to wash our thing off with. Alright, and what do we do? Yeah, you splash it out, and then it makes like a big
Firework.
fireworks splatter. Lift it up so we can see it. Yay! Alright, and we also have these paint sticks. They're called quick sticks that Mommy loves because it's an easy way to paint without making a big mess. But it does take longer to dry. Alright, so we're rinsing off our water brush. We got our paper towels over here. There you go. Saya loves to paint. We try to paint a lot, don't we?
Ah!
Our paper towel's going to end up looking cool too.
I'm going to make another color.
Okay, what color you want to make now? A yellow one? Let's try making a bright colored one because you do the yellow over top of the green, it might not come out too great. We got red and purple and pink and orange and blue.
Pink.
Pink. Well, you want to move the pink paint over here beside where you're painting? We can do that.
Now where should we put this?
On the same thing. You can paint over top the green.
It looks purple, doesn't it?
Well, pink and green might make kind of a purplish color. But that would be pretty too, wouldn't it?
I'm going to make the inside look pretty too.
Well, the inside doesn't come out on the tablecloth though. Oh, and there's Bella. She decided to be a special guest today. Bella's kind of scared of the fireworks, so she's a little nervous right now. That's why her ears are sticking straight out like that. You're taking your time painting, so it looks good.
let me do my time, kids. It'll take a...
And then you go, pop! Yeah, that's a pretty one. I like that one. Just wipe it on the paper towels if you got to. That's looking really good.
The water is looking purple.
Yeah, the water's kind of gross looking at it. Here's your paper towel.
Ooh, that's a pretty color.
Your paper towel's gonna be pretty, isn't it?
Yellow.
Now you wanna do the yellow? All right, let's see if we can turn the yellow around.
Should we put it here?
Yeah, we only got one.
It'll make a kind of...
Might make kind of an orange, yeah. Pink and yellow, I can see that making orange.
I can't do it all. Can't do it all yet.
What do you mean you can't do it all yet?
Because it's just dripping on my hand.
No. No, that's another way to make a design on the tablecloth.
Can you do it?
No, we'll paint your picture. You want to paint with the sticks now? You love painting with those sticks. Oh, now you're mixing the yellow and the green. What's that going to make?
Let's see. It's going to make dark. It's going to make green.
Mm-hmm.
It's making green.
Is it a different color green than the other green?
No.
No.
It's light green.
Make it a light green.
I'm going to make it a big color. I'm going to make it a greenish yellow firework this time.
Okay. Now the good thing about these paints is even if we do get some on the couch or our clothes, they do wash out.
That's some more of this paint. That's some more of this good green yellow. Ah! I got some on the floor.
It's alright. It'll come up. But try to keep it over top of the table. Alright. Pow!
A colorfulest firework.
Yeah, that one's cool.
It's cool.
It's a very colorful firework. No, don't mess it up. It was pretty. You're just turning it into a smear.
I'm mixing it to see what color it turns into. It turns into a wheelie. It turned into a frog pad.
Like a lily pad?
It turned into a wheelie pad.
Hey, what did you call these little trays that we put our paint in? What did you call those?
Paint palette.
Yeah, you called it a paint palette. I didn't even know you knew what that word was. We got the stuff together and he said, Mommy, are we making a paint palette? You want to write your name with the sticks?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, pick you out a nice stick and you can sign your name to your artwork here.
I'm making a huge firework.
I have a feeling our firework tablecloth's probably going to look like a blob. But it's okay. Miss Si's having fun. Alright, after you paint this one, why don't you get you a stick and write your name on it?
A purplish color. Look, it's a purplish color.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're going to turn it into a blob.
Look, it's fireworks.
Crazy fireworks.
Let's get some of this greenish yellow. Mass.
And if you get all your colors mixed together, you're just going to have brown. Make sure you wash your paintbrush off.
Maybe the water will get brown. Look at that huge firework. There's some brown firework.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get some.
Okay, well, we made another fireworks. Mommy painted this one. She cut up the other paintbrush.
I made this one.
Yeah, and this is the one Josiah made. And right now he wants to sign his name with his paint stick. So show us how you can sign your name, Josiah. J O, might have to start writing smaller. S I, oh no, A. What's that?
This is where H is going to stand at.
Oh, you drew a line for the H. H. Alright. Well, it's looking good. We're going to keep painting. Say, talk to you guys later.
Talk to you guys later.
Bye from
Play out Josiah.